Sure, some other features, other things you can do with this E chord thing, or moving the E chords around. I'm going to take that E chord, but I'm going to shift every finger one string closer to the ground. So my pointer finger is on the second string, first fret. My middle finger is on the fourth string, second fret. And my ring finger is on the third string, second fret. And I got this chord. This is actually an A minor chord. But the idea works the same way. You can actually move this around to a lot of different places and come up with some cool sounds. And when you're mixing the E chord and the A minor chord, you can create a lot of different things. I want to show you, notice that now when we're talking through the E chord, until now we moved only this way, across the fretboard up and down, or from right to left, how it would be. Well, now we're going to actually move this way from, and now you can create other ideas of what you can play with. I'm going to start with this little nugget that again, you want to try to create little combinations and see what they sound like and what you can come up with for creating songs or for accompanying yourself with whichever way you want to do it. I'm going to start with this little example. I'm going to start A minor, only my pointer finger is going to be here on the 5th fret, second string 5th fret. One measure of that. I'm going to move one string up to get an E and one fret back. So I got an E, but with my pointer finger in the 4th fret. I'm going to move again back to the A minor set of strings and one fret back. So my pointer finger is here at the 3rd fret, and back to the E set of strings and one fret, so my pointer finger is here at the 2nd fret, and I'm going to play one measure on each one. 3, 4. Another example I'm going to do, I'm going to start again, same place, A minor on the 5th fret, one measure here. I'm going to move 2 frets back, so my A minor is here on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, one measure. I'm going to go up to the E set of strings with my pointer finger on the 2nd fret, but I'm going to do only half a measure there, 1, 2. Move up 2 frets, so my pointer finger is at the 4th fret, and finish it off with one measure at the 6th fret. So my whole little progression is going to sound like this. And again. Once again, I want to throw in a few example of how this was used in some popular songs across the. I'm going to start with this one, Crazy on You. There's a little segment there where the acoustic guitar goes like this. And once you get all the chords, there's a little fill-in you can do. But let's take a few examples that actually do a full song rather than just a little bit in the middle. Actually, before that, one little more example. Led Zeppelin and Babe, I'm Gonna Leave You. Starting with the A minor at the 1st fret. Move all the way up, so it's at the 8th fret. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah. Then move to the 6th fret. Last but not least, let's go back to the full song. At the original song, they actually do this, which is the same notes, just inverted in a different way. But you can definitely use, for a nice, richer example, you can use this chord. This is Chicago's Beginnings. 5th fret, 3rd fret. Cool thing is that they do in that song is that they move this shape all around, all over this concept of just moving 2 frets back constantly, but the bass note changes all throughout, and that gives it this sound a different texture every time. I'll try to play both parts together. Then when they go into the verse, actually the bass is going to change from to this to D. I'm using the pinky to so I can play the bass note that the bass player plays in the song, but the guitar player isn't playing it. See, my bass player actually plays this note. Notice that I moved from the A minor to the E. Then same thing happened, but on a lower place. Bass player plays this note. And again, so it's moving all around. So just practicing this. You can apply it, move it all across the net. If you can get a bass player to play the correct notes from the original song, you'll be able to have a band start playing together.